A short drive south of Knoxville, Tennessee, you'll discover a most inviting home in the beautiful Eagle Glen neighborhood. Welcome to 1213 Osprey Lane. You and your family will enjoy 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a half bath in this luxurious 2-story home on a quiet cul-de-sac. Step inside. To the right of the foyer, we enter the main level study, accented with rich hardwood throughout, including this custom bookshelf. It will make for many hours of quiet time. And to the left of the foyer, we enter the formal dining room. Now, it's only a few steps to your kitchen, featuring an abundance of cabinetry, granite countertops, and appliances like this Viking commercial range. This kitchen is so unique with many custom features that the chef will appreciate. It flows to the breakfast nook, which looks out onto your fenced-in backyard, and that's your new swimming pool. It's the centerpiece of a most excellent lounge and play area, complete with playground. The family room is so expansive, complete with a large fireplace. It's ready for your customization. Now your bedrooms are upstairs. The master is just waiting for you to make it your own. And its master bath offers a host of amenities, like dual vanities and this very large walk-in glass shower. And you will appreciate the closet space. And additional bedrooms in this bonus room round out the upper level. You'll have even more storage space in this very large 2-car garage. You really have to see 1213 Osprey Lane in Knoxville to truly appreciate this opportunity. To schedule your private tour, call Terry Joe Fox at Crye-Leike Realtors South at 865-617-3292.